Want to publish books on Amazon without writing or designing anything yourself? Here's how beginners are doing it using free content that's already available online. First, head to websites like Project Gutenberg or Public Domain Review. These sites are filled with old books, poems, puzzles, quotes, all in the public domain. That means you are legally allowed to reuse and republish this content. Let's just say you found a 1910 poetry book. You can pull out your favorite quotes and turn them into a beautiful quote journal. Or you can browse old puzzle books, copy the logic or word games, and repurpose them into your own puzzle book. You don't even need to do heavy editing. Just format the content neatly, design a simple cover using a tool like Canva, and upload everything through Amazon KDP. And just like that, you've got a real book that can earn royalties. But if you want to skip even more steps like formatting or hunting down content, you can use BookBolt instead. It has built-in tools that generate interiors like puzzles, trackers, and code books automatically. You just pick a category, download your interior, and you're ready to publish. So whether you want to go fully DIY or use templates to speed things up, yes, you can absolutely make money on KDP without starting from scratch. If you want to try it out, I'll drop the link to BookBolt down below.